Christopher Avery, and this is a short video about how to register as a referral partner for the Leadership Gift Program and then find your custom URLs. So to start with, let's go to the.leadershipgift.com, the.leadershipgift.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will find this link for referral partner. When you click that link, then it will take you to the referral partner information and sign up page, which is here. So on this page has three parts: an extensive FAQ, terms and conditions, and then the registration form. So complete the registration form and then an email will come to your inbox and it'll have a link where you can log in to your referral partner account. Now, I'm already logged in to my referral partner test account. So when you log in, as you see, it takes you to the home. And actually, I missed a step here. Let me fill in that step that I missed. To log in, it's going to send you to te109.infusionsoft.com. And that's going to take you to this sign up page. Now this is a little bit misleading because where you want to go from here is to the bottom of the page where it says referral partner sign in. The sign in information on this page is for me and my team to use the entire Infusionsoft platform. You want to sign into just the referral partner module, which your sign in looks like this, and you'll use your username and password here. Then you get taken to the referral partner home. You can explore all of these tabs, but the one I want to draw your attention to is the link generator. So we have three links here that you can use. This is going to require some thinking on your part about your strategy and where you're using these links. Here's my suggestion. For evergreen places on your website, in your blog, in social media, for all throughout the year, I recommend that you invite people to learn more about us by downloading one of our opt-ins, the top 10 resources for mastering responsibility, in which case you would use your custom URL over in the right column. This is called your custom URL or my tracking link. This is your referral URL. Actually, this is the one from my test account. Yours will look a little bit different, so don't use mine here. Or invite them to get the email series, The 8 Great Lies of Leadership, using this link. That way, a contact record gets created for them in our database. You're associated with them as their referral partner. When in a year, 6 months, 2 years, when they join the Leadership Gift Program, then you will get the commissions of 30% of their fees for the life of them as a customer. So with the opt-ins, we do the nurturing. Your other choice, which is during an active campaign, would be to send them directly to the info page where the membership plans are and the registration link. That would be using this tracking link. Now, unless they join right then, no account is created for them. However, we do our best to provide a cookie and some IP address tracking that as long as they don't clear that browser and as long as they use that browser again and come back to that page and join, then there's a great likelihood that you will be associated with them as their referral partner. So again, for all year long, my suggestion is that you use the opt-ins, the permission marketing, and then let us do the nurturing of them into a customer. But if you're really going to help by sending a few emails during the promotional time, then you may want to send them directly to the sign-up page. All right, that's it. Good luck. Let us know how more we can support you as a referral partner.